This is me in my happy place. What are we doing today?
Really original.
Really original.
It's really original of you.
All right, well, we stopped here to have lunch here at the local Culver's right outside Savannah, and we're on our way to pick up this, what is it? Crotch rocket?
What is it, a Honda? It's like
Honda.
a Honda CBR or something?
Yeah. We would never not film you riding a motorcycle for the first time.
I mean, I've ridden motorcycles before.
When? You mean a scooter?
No, like
Nothing
an
with-
actual
no-
motorcycle.
nothing
I've
with
owned
gears.
a couple motorcycles.
Nothing with gears.
No, with gears.
So
I've never owned or ridden a crotch rocket though.
So you've clutched a motorcycle and
Yes, like
shifted
a cruiser,
gears.
cruiser motorcycle, like the big.
You've ridden one of those.
I've ridden and I've driven one. Yes, it's cool.
I think it looks cool.
I don't know what's gonna be better, us getting it running or watching us mounted on the wall.
I don't think he was riding many crotch rockets down this road. Yeah, right there. There it is. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Oh, we're getting greeted by the puppy. $8.99.
Oh. So I like it so far. I like what I see. Let's go check it out.
Hey man.
How you doing, sir?
I'm James.
Joey.
Good to meet you, man.
You as well.
So, this is the Mean Machine.
This is it. What's left of it?
This could be the coolest thing I've ever bought for $250.
I don't think it beats the go-kart.
Oh yeah.
Remember the go-kart I got?
Dude, this kills the go-kart.
If it runs, then yes. If it doesn't run, go-kart still wins.
I guarantee you this runs. It's a Honda.
Honda. Yep, we bought the CBR for 250 bucks. Yep, we bought this CBR for 250 bucks. Yep, we bought this awesome CBR for 250 bucks. Yep, we bought this awesome CBR for 250 bucks.
And do it again without laughing.
Oh, come on. That's the whole point. Hell yeah, we bought this CBR for 250 bucks. Hell yeah, we bought this CBR for 250 bucks. Hell yeah, we bought this CBR for 250 bucks.
How hard was this to move?
Not particularly easy.
It was even harder before you ever.
You had to play with the brakes.
The front brakes. know something? Just in case it goes. I need you on the back pushing. You can unload this on the loading dock. All right, let me get up in there. You guys okay?
Yep.
You hold it?
Yep.
Okay, I got it. That's all the way in too.
Made that look easy.
Whoa, look at
So
this
bad.
thing flapping in the breeze.
That's probably
Oh,
from
fine,
the old
clean
low
it.
side special.
The lows broke the carbon fiber.
Yeah.
All right, this.
This thing's cool, man.
Pull that for me a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, wait. This came in up there. Get here. So you never got on this and Track
No,
day.
no, I had a different bike at the time. I never rode this one. Never did.
all right, that's good. That's good. Can you pull? Right. Okay, good. That's going nowhere. Sweet. Jennings. Is that her last name? Jennings GP.
No, that's not race.
Nothing duct tape won't fix. No problem. Dude, thank you very much.
Hey, thank
This
you.
is really cool.
Yeah,
Stay
hope
in
you guys
touch.
will enjoy it.
So what do you think?
I think it's actually kind of cool. It's growing on me.
Mom, what do you think?
I think it looks good.
Well-
I can't hardly wait to ride.
Sis?
I want to see Mom ride.
Yeah.
It looks like it's going to come right through the back window right at you.
I know. That's what I was thinking. I'm not going to turn around and look. Just going to take my chance.
I think it's the coolest thing we bought for $250.
If it runs, it definitely
It
will be.
is by far the coolest thing we bought for $250.
I want to see it run.
That's motorized
I want to
by
see
far.
it run.
All right, what are you going to put on it that if we get it fired up?
I'll put $20 on it.
$20?
$20 if it fires up.
Well, I'm betting it's running.
All right.
So
well,
you're confident it's going to run then?
I'm confident. It's
You're
gonna-
confident enough to put $20 on it, it's going to run.
Yep.
I mean, why would you want to mess with the Lester when we can mess with this?
Because
And we have a motorcycle expert.
that's like asking me if I want a PB&J or a peanut butter banana sandwich.
No.
Both sound really good, but I still think I'm gonna go with the banana.
Hey, so what do you think? Do you think we can get this thing running?
Hell yeah. Check the starter. It turns. Now we're going to see if it's the relay. And if it's not the relay, it should fire.
Okay.
Watch it walk itself into the challenge.
I'm like,
Wait, is it in gear?
I don't know. I don't know if it's GP'd or not.
Let's see what happens.
Makes the challenge like it's there. Stop it.
This is the starter button. This is the one that makes it work.
That's the one. Okay. Ugh.
Is it always a hot?
I love how I'm the one holding on to it. Nope.
No, so we got to engage.
You're gonna have to hot wire it because I do know this relay right here stopped popping.
Okay, so
Yeah.
where is is there not a master switch?
A master switch?
Yeah.
Like a master power switch?
Yeah.
No. There's not. Basically, this is it. It's one of these two right here. Are the power switches?
Well, we're not having-
Because we would hit the starter button and
Good click.
the relay would click.
Yeah, but there was a light that was lighting up, so it might not just be getting enough power.
I don't think that's the issue. I think what it is the relay is smoked. Where does it come out though? You're unplugging it from downstairs. Hook those together.
Battery works.
You think you fixed the problem?
We're gonna see.
Holy sh!
Got some gas?
Can't choke it. You can't open it anything.
I know it's habit.
It wants to go. No spark. I bet you.
That's spark.
It does?
Yeah.
Gas not getting through the carburetors. But I don't want to break them.
This one's open.
Nice. You got it open? No?
That one?
This one?
Yeah.
Alright, pour some fuel down. Pour some fuel down in there.
Do you want me to hook up this light? Does that help you at all?
Burp it over, let's see what happens. See if we get a
Sputter.
sputter.
Alright, going hot.
Yeah, it wants to go. Give it some more fuel. That's only one cylinder trying to burp. Okay, rock and roll. You know the problem is too, it's not getting air.
Yeah.
Hey! Ah, once that goes. Fuel. I'll feed it while you're
Ready?
yeah. The backfire here and be still. That's only one cylinder trying to go.
Go, Alex.
You can feel it? You can
Oh,
feel
yeah.
it?
As soon as it started creating suction, I pulled my fingers. I was like,
Yeah.
It sucked. Yeah.
So in case you were wondering, that was like 3 years ago when we filmed going and getting the CBR. And since then, it's moved around this shop in various different places and being pushed around, and we just hadn't had time to really work on it. We did order some new carburetors for it because the carburetors that are on it, the butterflies are completely frozen shut, and getting those to work was almost impossible. We had to take those screwdrivers and a hammer and actually open those butterflies up just to get fuel down into the engine to be able to have it fire up like it did. Right now, it sits right here, and we've been kind of tripping over it. It's sitting over in the corner. It's kind of out of the way, but it looks like hell. I bought this thing to literally hang on the side of the wall. When I was a kid and these things came out, these sport bikes came out, I loved them. That's all I wanted to do was ride sport bikes. I had a few. Over my lifetime, I probably had 5 or 6 of them for short periods of time. Rode them, figured out that I don't need to be riding these sport bikes around because they're death trap. I literally bought this thing to go on the wall, and I was going to make some mounts and hang it up on the wall somewhere over here. Before the Joey D sign went up there, I was going to put it like right in that area, just because I like to hang cool stuff in the shop. I think, you know, that hanging from the rafters would be really awesome. What do we do with this? Do we bring this thing back to life and take it for a spin? You know, that's going to be requiring rebleeding the brakes, fixing everything on it to make sure it stops. We know we can make the motor go. It does fire. What do we do? Do we continue going with this bike? Do you want to see this thing running down the road? You guys tell us in the comments what you think we should do, because that's going to determine what happens with this thing. It's either going to be a wall hanger, or we're going to cruise it down the road, or we're going to take the engine out and make a go-kart out of the engine, or maybe all three. I don't know. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. If this interests you in any way, shape, form, or fashion, hit that like button, leave us a comment on what you think we should do with this bike, and you can always hit the subscribe button. That always helps us the most.